Pink Princess.
Yes, pink. But I keep saying pretty pink. I keep saying that. Say it again.
Pink Princess
Cosmetics. You guys have to check her out. I'm wearing one of her lipsticks right now. She's royal. It's so bomb, so moisturized compared to like other lipsticks that are kind of like dry, but taking my face, guys.
Let me put on my seatbelt.
So yeah, she owns a cosmetic line. And what do you only have lipsticks?
A nail polish.
She's nail polish. Guys,
and eyelashes coming.
Don't mind
this
finger, but eyelashes coming in December. Yes, yes. But yeah, her lipstick is so bomb, guys. Like my lips feel so moisturized. I didn't put nothing on top, like no lip gloss or nothing. Like just straight lipstick. And her nail polish is so pigmented. Let me just look at this. One quote.
Turn left onto
No clear polish over
and
top.
turn right
So
onto
pretty.
Clear View Heights.
So we're actually heading to a hair expo event in Toronto.
We're going to the Canadian Naturalistas hair show.
Isn't she so pretty, guys? She's
So weird for me. This is my first time vlogging. I have not been on a vlog before.
She's so pretty. She's so cool. Like I swear, I was kind of nervous to meet her because we were only texting and hitting each other up on Instagram. But like, she made me feel so welcome. I feel like I knew her forever. Seriously, like, she's so sweet.
My little Jamaican sister.
So yeah, of course we're running on Black people time. We're so late. We're like, I think 15 minutes late, almost an hour late. But okay, on our way right now. I'll try to catch some footage of like what's going on and show you guys. You have more of your lipstick and stuff, right?
Yeah.
I'll show you guys some of the other lipsticks that she has and stuff too. And you guys can order them online. I'm gonna put all her information, all the links and everything in the description box. And for all my Jamaican followers, her lipsticks are in Jamaica at Tiana. Are you guys hearing me? Her lipsticks are in Jamaica, so you don't have to worry about ordering online. So yeah, I'll show you guys what's going on when I'm there. We're still here at this hair expo. It's going good and goes blah blah blah. It's going good so far. Homegirl's getting the support. Her bomb ass lipstick. Look guys, I had this on for like how many hours now?
4 hours.
It's been like 4 hours and it's still like on my lip. And it's not even dry. I'm so tired and my hair is like getting bigger than ever. I don't know who told me to do this. This is why I don't wear my hair blow dried out. But I'm so tired. So tired. Like, I want to sleep. She's hungry. I'm tired. She's hungry. So guys, I'm actually so mad at Natural Lucy right now because we were supposed to meet up from like, I swear it's been, I don't know if it's been a year or 2 years. We've been trying, but like our schedule is so backwards and we live like opposite ends, but I have to come down here to bump into her to go home. I need some food in my belly and I hope my dad cooked because I just can't deal right now. Still mad at her though. She's still bae though. Guys, we're mixed with the same thing. Aren't you Jamaican and Guyanese?
Yeah. You are?
Yes, so we said
Anyways, I'm with you too.
Hey guys, so I'm with the beautiful Danielle. You guys, take in her hair. The ultimate bun life. Look at that. Oh. So guys, she has a YouTube channel. You guys should check her out.
Yeah, those brown girls.
And what's your Instagram and your
My
Snapchat?
Instagram and Snapchat is Danielle Aliana.
Is that your boyfriend?
Yes.
Shout out to her bae. Her bae videoed the whole thing for her. Shout out to you, man. Shout out to you. Wait, yo, all the YouTube hubbies, you guys gotta step it up, okay? Alright, see ya. Nice
Thank
meeting
you. You too.
Everyone is asking about the jerk chicken, so I'm gonna make jerk chicken for you guys today. I'm gonna show you how to do it. Chicken's a little bit frozen right now, but you're gonna have to defrost it. I'm gonna defrost it with cold water.
Why not hot water?
Because we don't want to bring it to room temperature so quick. Danger zone. We want it to gradually defrost. We're not going to force it, and we're not going to microwave it.
When you microwave it, what happens?
It tends to cook some part of it. Some part of the chicken tends to get cooked. I'm just not comfortable with microwaving it.
Plus you have the time, so.
And I have the time, exactly, I have the time to do it correct. So we're going to do it correct. Let it sit for about 5 minutes. Then I'm going to empty the water and add some more fresh water to it. Now I have my chicken all cleaned up. Today you can do the jerk chicken with skin on or skin off. Today I'm using skin on. So I have some scallion, I have some Scotch bonnet pepper, I have some thyme, I have some garlic, I have a teaspoon of black pepper, garlic, brown sugar, salt, and all-purpose seasoning, salt. So we're just gonna cut our scallion fine up. Just gonna cut up everything. Add it to our chicken. We're gonna use Grace jerk seasoning sauce. I have about 6 pounds of chicken, so I'm going to use 2 tablespoons. It's very important not to use too much of the jerk seasoning. This is a spicy one that I'm using, and if you use too much, it will be extremely spicy. So let's rub it all in there. Let this sit. I'll put it back in the fridge and let this sit for about 2 hours so all the seasoning could get, so the chicken can get soaked with the seasoning. Get that nice flavor every bite. I'm just putting it here to give it just to lock in the flavor, give it a little smokiness. I preheat my oven on broil to on high. So just got my chicken here. What I'm doing here, by grilling them on the stove, is this the way I like to do it. You don't have to do this, you can skip this part and just get a baking tray and throw it right in the oven on broil. You broil each side for 20 minutes, flip every 20 minutes you flip it. While both sides is nice and brown, you put it on bake for 350 for an additional 25 to half an hour. I'm going to do it 2 ways. I'm going to do some broil on top of the stove and some without the stove grilling.
Just to show you guys.
Just to show you the difference. So we just put our chicken in the oven on broil. We'll let it stay on broil for 20 minutes. We'll flip it over in the next 20 minutes. 20 minutes is up, so I'm gonna take a look at what we got here. We have a nice color. These are the ones that was not pan seared. I'm gonna flip them over so the next side gets some color. And we just give that another 20 minutes. And we let it ride. What we're going to do is we're going to remove our chicken. Our chicken is nice and jerky brown. I don't want the chicken to dry out. If I was to leave it on here to get more, it'll be dehydrated. It will be all dried out. I want my chicken to be juicy, so I take them out and put them in a turkey pan. This way is cook more, contain the juice, and won't dry out. And now we just cover it up. Add a little bit of water on this baking tray. To get some of that juice that's out of the chicken. And we're just gonna get that, shake it around, and we're just gonna throw it right back in here. We're gonna throw it right back on top of the chicken. Just so it keeps juicy. Cover up. Get a Scotch bonnet pepper or 2. You don't have to, just for flavor. I'm not breaking it. Just throw it in the heat. The chicken will just suck the flavor of the pepper without no fire. So we take it, put it back in the oven. Set our oven on bake. 375. for about 30 minutes. Okay, what we're gonna do now for side with our jerk, we have some plantains here. We're just gonna cut off the ends. You peel your plantain, you get a corner, just sink it in a little bit on an angle to the end, then you kind of squeeze the corner off. So what we do, we cut them in, we cut them all in 3. So 1, and there we are. We have our vegetable oil. So we're gonna put our plantains in. The oil get nice and hot. Plantain is in. We're gonna half cook them. Then I'm gonna take them out. I'm gonna crush them and put them back in. Here I have my green plantains frying. I flip them over. I just want them to get half cooked. Then I'm gonna remove them and crush them and put them back again. The reason I fry them a little bit first before I crush them, because it makes it a lot easier, because when you fry them they get a little bit softer and it's a lot easier to crush. Just like a minute, another minute each side, and you're done. I just use the paper towel to get rid of some of the excess oil.
So guys, this is my friend Sima. I'm at her pop-up show, or fashion pop-up show.
Community fashion show and pop-up shop mode 2016
So-
was a success.
It was a big success. I'm so proud of you. It's coming a long way, guys. And she does hair, and she's located in Toronto,
Yes.
West End, East End,
You
all that good
already
stuff.
know.
What was the purpose behind this whole fashion show?
So basically the purpose behind this show was to get the community out, showcase their stuff. You know, we all help each other, we all promote, and half of the proceeds go towards creating wigs for Hearth Place Cancer Support Center. So
Isn't that so sweet? Yes. I got goosebumps just now. Let me not cry because I'm so emotional.
next year she's modeling. So
If this
you guys
shit's gone
come
off my
out.
eye, then I will. But yeah,
Next year.
Next year.
Yes.
You guys should definitely check her out. I'm gonna link all her Instagram and everything she does here. She's amazing. But yeah, I'm leaving her now.